Welcome back to my problem part 2. In my first video, I already discussed general terms of the problems. Let me repeat it again some little bit. Problem is nothing, it's one type of situation or one statement which occurs on the situation. If you have not seen my video, then I recommend to please visit that video and then come to this. So this will clear more idea. Let's discuss in one domain first. Let's go with the education domain, because right now everybody knows this domain and what is going on inside the education and other stuff. There are multiple options, multiple types in terms of education. From primary, from kindergarten to schooling to higher education to colleges, postgraduate, masters, degree, and etc. So there are a lot of things, and after that education will never stop. It is ongoing process of the learning. So everybody is learning. That doesn't matter how you learn from the books. You can also learn from others. You can also learn from your work, learn from your child or children, learn from your spouse, learn from your teacher, learn from your car. So there are many ways to learn. Someone refer books, someone refer experience. So there are many criteria, right? So same thing with the problem. There are many problems and many solutions available in education domain, but no one mostly address it. Some prefer, someone say like this is the problem, this education system doesn't work, that education system doesn't work, this e-learning module doesn't work, that package also doesn't work. So everybody has their own concern about edtech domain, and it's a different branches. So student also have their own problems, and education side also have their own problems. There are two types. One is from learner side and one is from speaker side, means input and response. So we can get input from lot of resources, either from classes, either from e-learning modules, and response is what we learn or what we take away from whatever resources we are getting. But I personally say, don't focus on the problems, but instead of, there are so lot of solutions available, so focus on it and create your own environment around you that will give you more idea to be focused and objective to your core things. How many of you are aware about edtech domain problems? I am mentioning only one or two problems here, then I will cover on the next video. So here Do you think specifically for CEO or whoever the owner of the edtech, maybe it is a company or maybe it is classes or maybe it is institute? So how many of you know about your whatever system you are using is scalable or not? Some big company also have their own system or their own development team to maintain all the infrastructures and whole curriculums. But at mid-age or as a startup are mostly either use ready-made software or they hire 1 or 2 person to develop this and then leave it. But in most of the cases, these type of educations, modules and whatever the software or systems are not scalable in very large extent. But basically in startup, we mostly use to get ready-made software because in startup the time is more precious. But in behind this there are many technology used, and so this technology or maybe some are outdated or maybe some are basic level or maybe the code was or have too much complex. So it is not manageable by any other developer if you hire another developer to your system or software or whatever the learning module you are using. So what to do here to get the technology solutions or scalability things, or have you checked across your throughout the system before your now? If not, then please check, because whatever software you are using from ready-made sources are either too much complex to modify, too much complex to extend, or it is not easily understandable by all the general developers, or whatever the infra you are using are also not supported, or maybe it supports, then you have to do some customization. So think about it. It will give you the idea your system is scalable or not. And if you think this is a problem with you, then let's connect and solve together and digitize your software in such a way so it will scale in future. Till then, let's continue on the next video. Thank you.